RV bay, single story, new construction, and all of it is under $760,000. If you're watching this, you probably know how impossible that combination is to find in Las Vegas right now. Usually, to get storage this big, you have to spend over $1 million or move way out to the middle of nowhere. But this home is right here in the Northwest. It is gated, and it completely solves the problem of where to put your toys. If you're tired of paying $500 a month for a rental unit you never visit, you need to keep watching. Let's start with the moneymaker. The Super Bay. This isn't just a slightly wider two-car space. This is a dedicated RV suite with massive ceiling clearance and depth. You can park a Class A motorhome, a wakeboard boat with the tower up, or a trailer completely indoors. It is fully insulated and attached directly to the home. What if you don't have an RV? Think about the potential here. This could be a massive home gym, a workshop, or just enough room to park 4 cars comfortably without door dings. In this price range, finding a setup that can actually fit your lifestyle is almost unheard of. The home itself is a single-story layout, coming in at 2,448 square feet. It features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an open concept flow that feels much bigger than the square footage suggests. Because this is a new build, you aren't dealing with 20-year-old problems. You get modern insulation, energy-efficient windows, and smart home technology built right into the frame. The layout is split perfectly. The primary suite is tucked away in the back for total privacy, while the secondary bedrooms are up front, making it ideal if you have kids or guests who need their own space. One of the best parts about this builder is their philosophy that everything is included. In a lot of new homes, the price you see online is just for a shell, and you have to spend another $50,000 on upgrades just to make it livable. Here, what you see is largely what you get. The 42-inch cabinetry, the quartz countertops, the stainless steel appliances, even the pavers on the driveway, are typically standard features. You are getting luxury finishes without the luxury markup.